Ever found yourself debating between a bus ticket or a dinner at a fancy restaurant? Welcome to the world of budget travel. It's a land of tough choices where every souvenir is a luxury and instant noodles become a culinary delight. It's about smart planning, making every penny count, and sometimes asking yourself, do I really need another keychain? But remember, it's also about the thrill of adventure. After all, who needs a fancy dinner when you've got the entire world as your dining room, right? So, your budget doesn't stretch to a penthouse suite. No worries. You don't need a royal bed to dream like a king. Let's talk about hostels, budget hotels, and homestays. Heck, even overnight trains or buses can be your temporary home. Picture this. A 5-star hotel gives you plush robes, but a hostel gives you stories for life. And let's not forget the thrill of navigating the city at night, discovering hidden gems. After all, who needs room service when you've got the thrill of exploring the city's local food stalls? Who said style has to be expensive? The streets are your runway and the vendors, your personal designers. Think of bargaining as an art form, a dance of digits where the rhythm is set by your wallet. Your mission is to find that diamond in the rough, that unique item hidden in a pile of goods. And let's not forget, there's nothing like the adrenaline rush of scoring a great deal. Remember, in the world of budget travel, the best fashion tag is the one that reads bargain. In the world of budget travel, every journey is a sightseeing tour. Why roll around in a plush limo when you can squeeze onto a local bus? It's not just about saving a few bucks. It's about getting up close and personal with the city's heartbeat. Imagine the stories you'll have, like that time you shared a seat with a chicken on a bus in Bangkok. So buckle up, budget travelers. The world is waiting and your adventure is just a bus ticket away.